Little Red Riding Hood lives near a dark forest. One morning, her mother gives her a basket for her sick grandmother. She warns her to stay on the path and not speak to strangers. In the forest, a wolf asks where she's going. Red answers and tells him which flowers Grandma likes. The wolf suggests she pick some flowers. He tricks his way inside and swallows Grandma whole. He puts on her nightcap and lies in bed. Red arrives and notices that Grandma's ears, eyes, and teeth look wrong.
This is insane. Honestly, the video you just watched was created with just one click. Yes, one click. I'm not joking. No editing, no heavy software, no complicated setup. If you're a content creator running a faceless channel, even if you're the laziest person on the planet and hate editing, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the exact method, step by step, so you can create videos like this in few clicks. So stay with me because I will show you the easiest way to create videos like these. All right, first thing first, you'll find the tool link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go ahead, open it and sign up your account. Once you're logged in, this is the main dashboard. The tool I am talking about is called Magic Light. With this tool, you can create long videos, up to 60 minutes. Most AI tools struggle with long videos, but this one handles consistent characters, scenes, and flow really well. You can create music videos, kids videos, story videos, and a lot more. Right now, we're focusing on my favorite feature called one-click video. This feature is seriously insane. You give it just one story idea, and it handles everything for you. Characters, scenes, lip syncing, even the background music, all done automatically. What you get is a fully edited video ready to post. Honestly, what more do you need? So let me show you this. Click on one-click video. Now, here, you just need a video idea. If you want, you can use their ready-made templates. You'll see options like Little Red, Christmas Origin, Christmas Magic, and more. But for this demo, I want to use my own story. So in the prompt box, I'm pasting my story. After this, the next step is picking a style, and this part is actually fun. Here you'll see different styles like 3D cartoon, Disney, Ghibli style, Pixar style, and a few more. For this demo, I'm going with Pixar style because honestly, it's my favorite. But you can choose whatever style fits your content. Next, we have the aspect ratio. If you're making shorts, reels, or TikToks, select 9:16. If you're making a normal YouTube video, go with 16:9. Now, about the duration. This depends on your story. Long story, longer video. Simple as that. Once everything looks good, just click on Create Video. And now, watch this. Magic Light starts analyzing your story and generate characters automatically based on your story. It reads your story, understands it, and creates characters for you. If you don't like the characters, no problem. Just click on the edit option and you can build your own custom characters. But honestly, I like these characters. So just click next. All right, now it's time to sit back and chill because Magic Light is taking full control. It's handling everything, and I mean everything. It's managing all the characters in each scene, making sure they stay consistent. It's doing perfect lip syncing, creating all the images, placing characters, basically, and it's running the show. And the best part? The editing. Yeah, Magic Light even edits your video for you. Think of it like a master chef in the kitchen. You just gave it the recipe, and it's serving a fully cooked, delicious dish ready for dinner. So grab a snack, sit back, relax, and let the magic happen. In just a few minutes, your fully edited video will be ready to serve. All right, and here we go. Our video is ready. Just take a look at this.
Do you think the map is real, Alex?
It has to be, Lily. Look, that cave over there matches the drawing.
It's beautiful.
Ready, Lily? Ha! Looks like the forest has more secrets for us, Lily.
I've never seen anything this beautiful, Alex.
Me neither. It's like the whole forest is smiling at us.
This is just the beginning, Lily.
I know. It's all so magical.
Wow, this is actually crazy. The video looks amazing. The sound is clean, the lip sync is on point, the characters are consistent, the scenes just flow perfectly. And honestly, this really feels like magic. I clicked one button and boom, a complete finished video. No editing, no fixing, nothing. So if you're a content creator running a faceless channel, or even if you're the laziest person alive and hate spending hours editing, this is perfect. This is not time consuming. This is actually worth it. One click and your video is ready to post. To download your video, just click on the download button. That's it. Your video is ready to post. And if you want to create long videos, even up to 50 minutes, check out our second video. You'll find the link in the description. And if you want to try Magic Light yourself, the tool link is also in the description. Just sign up and start creating amazing videos. Oh, and wait, before you go, there's a surprise for you. Right now, Magic Light is running a special campaign, and yes, you can win big prizes. You can win $6,000 cash, and your creation will be shown on a Times Square billboard in New York. Yeah, that's insane. Not only that, you can also win an annual max membership of Magic Light. Second place winner can win up to $4,000. Third place winner can win $3,000 plus an annual max membership. And honestly, there are even more amazing prizes. Now, the rules are simple. You have to create your masterpiece using any feature in Magic Light. Go wild, get creative, mix and match the tools, and make something that blows everyone away. Your video should be between 30 to 120 seconds long. Upload your video on your social account like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Use the hashtag of Magic Light, and don't forget to tag @magiclight.ai in your post. And that's it. For full details and live updates, I'll be sharing everything in my Telegram group, so make sure you join it. Don't miss this event, because opportunities like this don't come every day. Now, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to get awesome tutorials like this. And tell me in the comments, what kind of video are you going to create? I really want to see your creativity. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.